YouTube, what up? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with an update. That's right, I'm going to be updating y'all on my waves, how they've been going. It's been a hot minute, so stay tuned. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these waves. Before we get started, of course, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Of course, if you don't want to, that's fine, but make sure you give me some feedback on my waves and what I'm doing and things like that. A couple of things that I'm still working on right now. I'm going to be working on, definitely going to be working on my backside, the backside of my waves. Still working on that, and I'm also going to be working on my crown. I'm still working on my crown. It's getting kind of complicating, but hey, when you on this long journey, things happen. With that being said, I want y'all to make sure y'all do not roast me too hard about my lineup. I got my lineup Saturday. I'm woofing pretty hard. So usually when I get a fresh lineup, I try to do my videos on that point. But when I cannot do them and I have to wait maybe 3, 4, 5 days, it gets kind of rough with the lineup and on the sides and stuff like that. But I'm still trying to get everything sorted out. I'm still doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Let's go ahead and get up with this update, shall we? Let's go, let's go. I'm excited. So we're just gonna take off the cap here. Of course, this is a monsoon cap. If you don't know what monsoon caps are, make sure you go watch one of my videos where I do talk about CJ Monsoon. We're gonna come up out of that. Of course, this is my Imperial do-rag, but I got other do-rags I want to talk to y'all about maybe a little bit later in this video. So we're gonna come up out the Imperial do-rag. I got it tied up in the back. Let me make this quick. Try to do it real fast. Try to do it fast. Come on. You know what? We're just gonna do that. We're just gonna do that. All right. So I got it all off here. You know how people be doing the unveil too? They'll do the unveil. They'll be like, woo. They take it out real slow. Let me try to do it. Let me try to do it on y'all though. Let me try to do it on y'all. There we go. There we go. I don't even know how I'm looking on the camera, but it just felt good. It felt good when I did it. It felt good when I did it, but I don't know how it looks on the camera. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, let me sit back down. Having a hard time standing up. Let me sit back down. I have no idea what y'all can see. So I'm just gonna turn on around. You see right here, this is the area I'm working on in the back. I may hit y'all with a close-up here in a minute though. Just might hit y'all with an update. Oh man. Hit y'all with the side. Hit you with the side shot. There we go. That's the side shot. We're gonna hit y'all with another side shot. Hit you with the top shot. And let's get back to the back shot. All right, man, with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all coming to watch this video just to see where I'm at with my waves. I'm really trying to get them to improve. I'm working on this great woof. Great thing about going into the winter time is I can woof a long time. Doing that, I don't have to worry about all the frizz and all that stuff and things like that. So it's really beneficial to my waves and how I like to do them, what I like to do with them and stuff like that. You got any questions or concerns, make sure you hit me up on my channel. Hit me up on Facebook. Of course, you already know the information is going to be right down here. This one right here is going to be, of course, my Instagram information. This is going to be my Snapchat information. You can get at either one of those. That's up to you. Doesn't really matter. Or you can hit me up on Facebook, King Bledsoe. With that being said, it is your boy HB. 3. I'm out of here. Let's go.